Mamma mia, quanto è buono! Welcome to a new episode with Pasta Queen and Pasta Bro. I am so excited you are here with me today. We are creating the crostino of your dreams. Imagine seasoned mushroom with garlic and parsley, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil that falls in on a toasted sourdough piece of bread with decadent mozzarella melted underneath it. Psst, it's too good, just like you are. Today we're using mozzarella. We're gonna melt it on this beautiful sourdough baguette bread. We have parsley, mushrooms, garlic, and pepper. Let's get going. First things first, we're going to slice the mushrooms. We are using regular champignon mushroom. These are called baby bellas, and we are doing a nice slicing of it because then we're going to decorate with them. So you don't wanna like chop them up roughly. You want them nice and even and sliced up, truly beautiful. Just like this. But did you know that mushrooms are fruits? Da 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 da! They're the family of the fruits because they carry seeds in their little cute heads. I'm gonna show you. Underneath it, you've got the spores, right? These will create more mushrooms. Did you know the actual mushroom plant is underneath the earth? Da, 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 da. And the mushrooms that are popping on top of the earth are actual its fruits. So let's make a fruity crostino. Get a garlic clove, let's slice it nice and thin. We're going to keep the garlic in the pan and let it sizzle for just 1 to 2 minutes maximum before the mushroom are tossed in, sliced beautifully. Look at that. It's just everything is married together. A pinch of salt and a scrunch of pepper and a flurry of chopped up parsley, just like this. The mushrooms are done. Look at this, so gorgeous. Get your bread, slice it in half, and now toast it on one side. We're gonna flip it over and now shred the mozzarella directly on top. Cover it and let it cook all over until it's melty. You take your beautiful mushrooms, you spread them evenly. Look at this. And then just sprinkle with some parsley leaves, and it is just gorgeous. It's time for the brother test.
Che se da paura, oh.
It's so good.
Questa
È buonissima, it's so good.
reminds me of walking in a rosticceria in Rome. We have this kind of thing.
Guys, it's so good. We gotta go and eat. Don't forget to subscribe, ring a bell, so that you get a recipe every time we post a recipe. What the heck did I just say? Doesn't matter, just subscribe. We love you. Stay gorgeous. Funghetto, turudu, in cerca di guai,
Che quando lo trifoli non si cuoce mai.
Slide it. Get your bread.